Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install Google Nest Cam with Google Home app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Google Nest Cam and ensuring all components are present. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Tap on the plus sign in the top left corner of the home screen to add a new device. Select Setup Device from the options presented. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. Allow the app to access your location if prompted. Select the home in which you want to install the Nest Cam. The app will now search for nearby devices. Once your Nest Cam is detected, tap on its name to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. If successful, wait for the app to confirm the connection. Next, choose the location where you plan to install the camera. This will help you manage multiple devices more efficiently. Once the location is set, the app may prompt you to position the camera. Mount the camera according to the instructions provided. Make sure to adjust the angle for optimal coverage. The app will then ask you to test the camera view. Take this opportunity to check the live video feed. If you're satisfied, proceed to finalize the setup in the app. After completion, you will receive a notification confirming your setup is successful. Your Google Nest Cam is now ready for use. Explore additional settings in the app to customize notifications and preferences. Enjoy monitoring your home with your new camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.